Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon a beat, and as you can see, pan on the screen, we have a whole lot to deal with in this video, my peeps. So it's extremely important to watch the end so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with Skillibeng because you know I said the dancehall artist is causing a whole heap of ruckus amongst the dollies. You see, he posted his baby mom's Tavian on his IG page for your birthday a couple days ago. He said, "Ma say, so you know the side B them get hot. And them send me one thing for put out and say, you know, Tavian is really irking them spirit based off of, you know, the fashions that I deal with." He said, "Ma, some my people put in the comment section what you think about that because I'm not gonna lie to you. The people them find out which dolly I send me the things, you know. I don't know if it's true or not, you know, but let's work with what they send there. I say, you know, because them expose one girl that really have it out for her, you know." So, in defense of Tavian, the sender said, "Hello, King. I have a message for Skillibeng throat back. Stop, you know what, Tavian. It upset with spirit. We not like you, dirty girl. Remember, say you come at St. Thomas and you freak out the whole of the artists, them, you know, and friend over here, so them a chat you like dog and nickname your throat back because that you're known for. Skillibeng, you know what, your throat back. One time you apply for the position of a side B. Him quickly decline block you and go home and breathe Tave, make you eat the girl. You know what I mean? You not stop bully the girl, right? Who not trouble you? And we tired of it, you know. Everybody on east side know you. Nobody no remember you. Nobody no like you down there. You see, man, I say, remember you are dancehall mattress and Papi say it. Every time Skilly posts him good up, baby mother, this girl start send tough message from be a fake page. And I say, girl pan be a mix-up side, right? You pretend say you're married to one rich man. So why you so tormented and obsessed? You sick with stomach. You is not. I never been Skilly X or side girl. Listen, man, I say, you're easy and always will be a throat back. East side, that we say. People putting in the comment section what you think about that. Now, like I said, this started because I posted on my IG channel, you know, went viral, like 91,000 views. Listen, man, I say, so this is why you see the people them out and about. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, let's proceed to the next mix-up that we see going on in Jamaica and have to deal with Usain Bolt ex that used to work at Club Taboo. You know all she do. Listen, I say, it kind of look like she's embroiled in some beef with, I don't want to say a fish, but we know we're not reached to see man I argue with woman, but nevertheless. But yeah, I'm not gonna read out the thing them phone. I'm like I said, I'm just a show on a walk one from an attack one. You see, man, I say, sit down here and one next youth a war, you see it. And you know the typical big old argument and hungry beggarly argument and lawyer arguments and all of these good stuff. You see, man, I say, anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Trending talk, I say, go on, because you know, say, Massacre and Tamale bring out the darkness in the dolly them now. I know we see Alkaline and Popcorn Sister going at it. Yes, Alkaline Sister and Popcorn Sister throwing words back and forth. You know, who bro is more popping than all of these sweet stuff. You see, man, I say, but me not gonna lie to you, Alkaline Sister kind of, you know, I move like Informer, because she said, I'm gonna really squid. First I worry about her looking like Humpty Dumpty. I worry about ice. You see, man, I say, my peeps. So yeah, you know, Unruly Squid had to block her, you feel me? Because it's no longer fun and games no more. You see what I say? When they might involve the law. You know what I mean? But anyway, let's proceed. Some more bagga and mix up out here. Come on, I gotta lie to you people. Akeem, him kind of flap himself, you know. And him out slip up and them things there. And him was talking about him, man. One body and him one body and all of these stuff.
At 1 o'clock in the afternoon, him ask the body.
What? When officially say 1 o'clock him a ask the body, I wonder who him attack. Officially, which boy a ask the body so late?
At 1 o'clock in the afternoon, him ask the body. At 1 o'clock in the afternoon, him ask the body. At 1 o'clock in the afternoon, she asks the body. She weird. She weird, but me love it. When me used to talk to, at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, him asks the body. Me can't go bother with it, you know. At 1 o'clock in the afternoon, she asks her body. And then she's a woman where she weird.
Yeah, he has a lot of explaining to do. Right now, the people that is saying Rosalie is taking out her frustration out upon her mom because Jake is gone. And you know, Akeem is just acting. Missy Ma say, and you know, the people that is not going to let up off Rosalie after what she do to her man and put hands upon her mother, you see me. So let's hear what the lady has say and we're proceeding.
Any woman that continues to, any woman will continue to support you is a woman that hate men or is a woman that is unhappy because their life is bitter and miserable. Because you is bitter and miserable about your circumstances and about your life. And any woman where they over here going to a girl represent you on a bitter and miserable in her life. You don't have no real relationship and not look for man for hug and love like Akeem. But Akeem can only pretend to do it. Akeem can only pretend to do it. I watched a video clipping with Akeem in a house. I say he's at home with his friends. And I be a man. I be a man. Akeem can only pretend to do it. And those are the people who are good at it. Man, when I really want you, who likes the other sex, are the best pretender with women. They are women's best friend. Men who like the other sex are the best pretender with women. They are women best friend. Them know how to make you feel good. When you sit down and gossip with them and when you sit down and talk with them and when them come out to make you feel good. Because them want what you want. They want what you want, Miss Caution. You never know. And so, when I sit down and I watch myself say, any woman that continue to send you gift and support you, they're miserable in them life and they're miserable overall. They want a relationship and them want man to treat them the way this man that don't like woman treating you. That is the problem. And not for uno in a relationship, uno want what this man a do. But this man is only doing it because it is not his lifestyle. It is a pretense. It is a show. And don't get me wrong, you have good men out there that treat women like a queen. But genuine man will really genuine and love you and go and treat you like a queen. Now find a man who will pretend with you for kinds. Now find a man who will pretend with you for kinds. If the man will pretend with you for kinds, he will pretend with a man for kinds. If a man will pretend with you for kinds, he will pretend with the next man for kinds. And when are you young women are going to see this? So if you love yourself, you know, and put yourself first, a man will see that you are a woman of substance, that you are a woman of class, that you are a woman that can stand up to anything. Because a man loves a strong and a confident woman. So you should always, ladies, make yourself first before anybody else. It no matter what you shape like, what you look like, none of that matters. None of that matters. And Rosalie, if you feel that this man wants you, I understand. I understand, you know, because all your life people have been putting you down and tell you, say, you know, look good, you know, shape good. But it is not about the looks. It is your personality and your attitude. No real man now gonna take you up, Rosalie, because you tell the whole world, say, something that is personal to you and a man. If you and a man there, and you and a man have relations, whether uno not there or is a one night something or a two night something, you're not supposed to come a road, come talk what uno do. No real man is going to take you up because he's going to be afraid of what you will do to them if you are no longer with them. Because you there with a man for 12 years and give the man 2 pitney and live with the man, struggle with the man, hungry with the man, sleep with the man, fight with the man. The man cook for you, the man wash your dirty drawers, the man take care of your 2 pitney them, and you come out from the world and tell the world, say the man are evil, the man dirty, the man nasty, the man a batty man. You tell me, say you piss na the man mouth says, you tell me all the things that is the worst that anybody could tell about somebody. Normally them something happen when a man and a woman break up and it's bitter. But not when kids are involved. Not when kids are involved. You have 2 little young kids that is hearing the things them that you guys are talking about. What can go so? What can me tired for say it, you know? We woman, emotions get the worst of you and become bitter and hateful when you and a baby father break up. You use the pitney as a weapon. You use the pitney as a tool. You use the pitney as a weapon. You bitter and hateful. And the man who did love and nobody couldn't tell him nothing. When in a friend and the family, I tell you, say, you know, so the boy is like a cheater, the boy this and run in the family and friend and something, I want to hear nothing. When you run in the family and friend when things are good. And when you break up and things are bad. The whole world of the ear when I go on with pan TikTok. And I just Rosalie become tired for watch these video clippings. A woman and man break up and a be a drama upon this in a business. If you had threesome, we know son I have threesome. If you in school with man, we know in school with man. Everything in a come out, I come talk. Everything in a come out, I come talk. All because in a bitter. Rosalie, you are the first one say you left GX. If you left GX, what is the problem? And you come tell us say you left GX, you know, and GX are mad out, you know. So if you left GX, what is it when girl left man, girl not talk one man again? When girl left man, girl no mention man again. When girl left man, girl da Bali. Girl da Italy, girl no chat about man again. When girl left man, girl da on vacation and make man see girl. When girl left man, girl a post video on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and make man see girl. You not left GX. You're mad out over GX. How the hell you left GX and every day you open your app, you're on GX? And every time the kids them come around you, you're angry. You're bitter. I watch the picnic come to the room and ask you for something and you... What? What you say? What? Like a hug. Like a hug. It's like the hate that you have for Jakes, you're bringing it out into the kids them. It's like the hatred what you have for Jakes. It is now protruding to the pitney them. And it is so funny because after you done hug off of the 2 pitney them, the boy come on the video scream now and nothing but smile on your face. After you done hug out the 2 pitney them for ask you for something. The man ring you up on the phone and I be a teeth and smile. No man can come. No man before my pitney. You idiot. How me for watch you I talk to you 2 pitney them like them a hug.
Crazy work. Anyway, people, we're not going long with this longer, you know, come I have some more reviews to do. Particularly upon Namaska, Baga, yes, say, you know, the things that you say. So do the right thing and like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest. Bless.